No, go back. Gosh, you're being so mean. Huh? Say shush. Anything but...
Anything but straight. Anything but straight.
Go.
So if you're gonna hook me, I'd rather get hit in the ear than the nose.
Go.
Shit, as much as that hurts.
Go, Pink Love.
Yo, I'm gonna get that.
Watch him get dropped in the ball.
Come on.
No, stop.
Are you serious?
You got me in the corner.
Everyone in your corners. Crystal, you be the little guy person, dude.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Go.
Kill him.
Wait, I think I should go over
Why
here.
am I standing here? Why am I standing
Go.
Fighting Josh. Yeah, I see why. I think it was crazy.
No, it's that.
Why am I stepping in? That is
I
right.
hurt him now.
That shit, asshole doing it, got stuck.
And then
Go, Josh.
I get mad and then I hurt him. Yeah. I'm gonna kill him first.
Yo, you guys think I'm kidding, right? I'm not gonna stop doing that.
Oh, shit.
Let go, let go, let go, let go, come on, let go, come on! He pushed it, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go! Let go!
Go.
You calm?
Yes.
You calm?
Yes.
You're not gonna turn around and right? That's what you are.
Yeah, he does.
Mad big.
Who, Josh?
Yeah.
He can't get out. He's not
He
coming.
looks big as hell.
Oh.
I want to see you.
Wait, dude, you can't do it. You stepped on my fucking toe! Shit!
Be a man. You're such a bitch. Be a man.
Be a man when you step on a man's toes, you can't beat a man, you
Man up.
Now you know how I felt when you fucking put it in the balls.
Girl, you
Go
think
back.
when I hit that
Yo,
ball?
when you draw
Do you have one over there?
Amanda, you are not hanging up.
Amanda! Fuck you!
This is Domingo.
Who's Amanda?
Amanda, I miss you. I want to hang out.
Is that Amanda? Amanda?
No, that's the one that study hall.
Come on, please.
Come on!
Did you really call her?
Yeah, call some girl Amanda. She hung up on me.
Wait, don't What are
Amanda.
you doing?
Talk about Destiny?
Don't worry about the chick. Go. He wants to call every girl in your phone.
Amanda hung up on me. She would have Jackson name. Don't call Destiny.
Why are you fucking with our phone?
Domingo, what is wrong with you?
Domingo, it's time for you to get a watch.
It's time for you to grow a pussy.
I will not take my pants off.
Let's go.
I'll put you in the titties. As much as that hurts you, I know. Yo, dude, I found out something. There's a ball in your titties. Is that true?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's called tissue.
There's tissue all over there.
Yeah, but there's like a hard tissue. It's like behind the nipple. Like it hurts.
I'm glad you know this because I don't.
I'll sit on my dick before you unstrap.
You don't have one.
We'll be here all day.
You don't have one. You have to grow one before you can do that.
This is perfect.
Why are you in doggy style? Do you want Mark to get behind you?
Oh, yeah.
I can't wait.
Mark, hurry up, get back there. No, not Crystal.
Mark, that's rape.
You point the
Mark raped Sky.
Y'all people are crazy. Y'all niggas, y'all.